Malaila malie a ho e ki moe lelei ai Tonga kotoa, fia ki taritani lelei ki mo tono, ki ho mo ngahi o ngongo mo ledio kai uma ai televisoni Tonga ki he houani. I he wakaiko ia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo, tali i whalanglangi whakau tau e he puleanga haamoa e ne a fio hili e ne tō uta i malai wakapuna whavaha puleanga whaleolo i e hoata o i ahoni. Haweki e ahio na ane ahia aha a whewai ngahi apino whaanga e tolu pia wisia lahi me ngahi whale i ni ihi. Pia mea ai e ki palemia o whakailonga i ka mātahono ngai ake li pōti ngāwe me tōt o ni ngāwe ki hono tuka ngai kina makehe o i whānau me ka kai whaingata i a whai sinoro Tonga e ngai whatamaki i. O guto i pe ngahi talanoa kehe ana iange pehe a e tau wakai ki ngahi o ngongo mihe malai o sipoti kai o maai to o ngā koia o i ea. Ko e makailewa e ni ki he whakai ki ko au liliani polotele. Na e tō ota e ne a whio king tupo wano i he mala e wakapuna whakawahapule anga whaleolo i he apai i he hoa tāo e ahoni ki he o wau whaki whailo ngāko ai University ko ia e Pacific Tonga ka koe waa i a lafua ai a e whahoko e ni he whalaite o e wikini. Na e tali wha-ofisiale e ne a whio e he pule anga o haamoa a ki hao wau tali whakalangilangi whakakau tau i ene tō ota pe ai ha ele i mala e wakapuna. I whamatala kua tuku hake me he potunga o e polisi me pilisoni o haamoa, koe konga eni hono kei whakai VIP ai wāwhenga aki a Tongani mo haamoa. I gai ngatai koe whainga maali e lelei eni maa i nau kau ofisa, ke nau lau kau ake whatongia, ki hono tali whakalangilangi ai toi o Tonga. Kege he ko ene ha elea eni a haamoa, ki he kātoa ngā tana ki tuunga University of Pacific Tonga i Alafua i hono lakanga ko e pule whakalangilangi pe Chancellor o University of Pacific Tonga. Ko ene amana ki ha elea eni kātoa ngani hiriangi ene ha elea ai kātoa ngā tatau pe i mahina ku o si ka koe vaai ai University i Vanuatu. Kua o sia ene Tongani i he ahoni ai makamaile mahau inga, i hono toka ngai kina ko ia o e whānau mo ka kai whaingata i a whakaisinota te whito, i hono whakatoka ngai makehe e ngāhi a o sia o nau whehanga ngai moi aloro Tonga, e ngāhi whakatamaki whakainatula, mo ha mea whakatuupa ke pe whakatuuta maki. Mo e whia mau ke whaihanga au ki hono veteki o ngāhi pole o kuna whehanga ngai pe whekuki mo ia. Ko e hiri ene mea ai e ki palemia no pele whawhanua o whakailonga i pongponge au ni e ka kato i ngāwe ki he ngahi lipoti pe tohi tōt o ni ngāwe e tolu e potu ngāwe, ngahi ngāwe whakalota whanua, o whelawe i tonu mo hono toka ngai kina o i tuunga masiwesiwa e whānau mo toka ngai kina, ai ka kai whaingata i e whakai sinororo Tonga ha whakatu tā maki, pe ha whakatamaki whakainatula e hoko. Ko e whakai ki o talanoa ko ia ki e hoani mo li tea Tongatapu. Ko e eiki palemia no pele whawhanua i ene mea o whakailonga i ngai lipoti mo tohi tūtu uni ngāwe ko lava. Nā e whakamaala ala hene minista o e potu ngāwe whane fituafe ki ngahi lipoti e tolu koi ni.
O tau i heni ko e whakakato o e ngahi ngāue ki ngai lipoti e tolu. Uluaki ko e lipoti whekau aki mo i tuunga masiwesiwa o e tautaha ki he tawhitu. Kono wā ko e lipoti whekau aki mo i ngahi pole o ku whekuki mo e kauwhi e mau makehe. He taimi o e whakatamaki whakainatula pia mo e tokoni whawawave. Pia kono tolu ko e pepa tutuuni ngā ue ki hono whakahoko o i ngai tokoni whapaanga ki e kakai tuulawe ango fua he society. Pia ke whakaata, pia launch e palemia ai ngai pepa ko ni ke ngā ue aki i e whonua ke tokoni ki hono whakakau maupe, inclusive. O ni i ko ni o ku tuulawe ango fua he society pia whaingata ia, mo whapapau i o kaikeri e kina hata. Pe kono ai e ta hau pehe. Whapapau i koe taimi koe hoko mai ai ai ngahi whainga taa, ngahi whatamaki whai natula, o ki ai ha whounga pau, ke toko ni i aki ki nau tolu.
Ko i ngā ue ko au sia mo wha ilonga i he ahoni, ko tahaia i ngai ka vinga ngā ue e potu ngā ue ki he palani o luaki aho ngā ue e te au ai pure anga. Ne mea heni e ki palemia no pele whawhanua, o whamama wha i mahu inga o lipo tini ma ai langa whakalakalaka i whanua whaloku fua.
Ko e report mahu inga eni e tolu ko whakakato he pot ngā ue. Pehange ko e whamatala me he Queen's o ka weni he nau ka venga ngā ue raki aho e te au paran ngā ue pure anga. Pa ko whiwhia o pito ko uhi ko e tō mua ngā ue ke o mai ha ngahi tutun ngā ue maha ngā ripoti. O i kai mātuunga i ha mau whamatala ka uhi ko e ngahi whamatala ko os whapapaui. E kau matao tau, pana os whatotoloi. Pea koe ngahi whika mahu inga, mo ngahi whamatara mahu inga koe ni tene hanga o hiki, mo poupoui, ai ngā ue ai pure a ngā, mai kakai o whaingataa i ho tau whanua. Ai nihi koe ni uku mo ui whaingataa ia. Me he whanau, ki e kau taure ke reka, ke nihi uku mo ui whaingataa ia.
Lolo Tonga eni, nei whakahoko ai e lea e whakafofonga mihi polokalama tokoni a Australia, TFAT. O ne whakafofonga i mai ai e waa ngāue e tolu na anau tokonia, e ngai lipoti koe ni, o ne pehe, o iai e to tonu ai kakai whaingata a ia whakai sino, ke nau maungo fua e ngai fie mau vivili whaka aho, hange koe vai inu oku maa. Mea tokoni, mo tokoni whakawhaito o kai tau te whito ki ona tokonia ki nau tolu i e taimi o whakatamaki whakai natula. Ko ngai lipoti e tolu koe ni, nei malawaia i he whingawe ake e pot ngawe, mo UNICEF, polokalama whakamāman lahi ki he tokonia o mea tokoni, mo i polokalama tokoni a Australia, pe koe TFAT. Ma ai o ngonga le ti o ma televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo. No e haweki e he ahio hio na e tō i ha whewa ha pai i he pongpongi a neawhi, ai ngahi apinofanga e tolu kai malo ne i kai hamo ui e mole pe halavea e hoko. Na lego ti eni he waa wakai matangi a tonga a neawhi, o whakapapau i ne iai pe mo i ngahi whale nofanga i ne ihi ne wesia, pe a wesia mo ulo a kau i ne ihi ka koe whakaiki ki mo senolita toi vai.
I he whaiki eke a ngonga le ti o tonga mo o whitakolo o haa whewasione a kau ola whiwhita nāne pehe, whafuafua ke taimi hi wā pongpongi, nei hokoi a hiuhio ko e ni i he loa koe miniti e taha mo e konga. Hoku mahino na e haea ngahi ato i ngahi whale nofuanga ni ehi pe o sia mo i whale lotu o i Sas Katolika o haa whewā.
Awa ki a heo na whafuafua ke hi wā pongpong na na kamata ko uha bene kamata ke uha be bange ko ki havili ya au do fato nga ya we alu beta imia ke to e malohia ai havili alu pe ko ongo ya we i tunga ke ia au huma sho ma ki to ke to sho ka me a dilo ko Bebe na whatoanga ai ngai whare na ofi mai ko maua pinga e holo mai ngai uru akau nai holo. O toki maki minite taha, whoke no lo laki minite taha mo konga. Ako ne holo bena koe patoku e loit mato sio. Ako ngai uru akau me mena tō ma mawhake ngai uru akau ai mau. Nai bima ngai whare nai holo. Pege ngai peito, ngai tanke vai. Ngai mea ia na mau hi e. Se ki ahi ohi wani hu, e makai whana, ngoto pia ita. Ni mau ati i yafet ki taia ni hu, spo hifo mai makai whawhata pima nau. Ni sini. Ko makai tahna i uta pena e, furi pe uta. Aga whare rotu na me whare rotu e katolikana e uesia, me whare rotu uesia wahe whare rotu oia e. Eki ahio. Ako Apina whanga tolu. Na holo ahio ka ne pongpongi. Nau os fetu taki peke ko wana. O report ko toa hai mau ko toa ni. Pere nau fetu taki mimo. O awe ko toa bea hai mea ko toa bea nai hoko. Pena taha mai pete na toki takai mai whaia sia ko. Savea ki mea ko nai hoko.
Mahina pe ko asfali poti ki office whafonua ki hona pule e ngahi ngāui ki whatamaki pe NDRMO, whelawei me kawe ngani, ai e tok whai savea ki ngahi mau ko eni amuyange pe tok whakahoko ha ngāui moha tokoni ki he ngahi api ne wesia mo mau. Kei ke li poti wawakai matangi a Tonga, ko ahiohia ko eni na ane whakatupu e mau ki he motuni na e whelawe i tonu e mo alotamak uha na e toka i he otu tongani, ai na ane omai e uha lahi mo hako ki he konga o ngahi wai whanua o e otu Tonga. Mai a ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko au sinori tātu i vai.
I he tau ko ngā tūai e ngā hifunga waka ke he oi lotu o taki taha teu ki ono kātoa ngā i o e senduli ua oi lotu i Tongani. Kua o sia i he wikeni, e he siasi wisiriana tōtai na o Tonga whasi mo i awhia tungi, ai makamaile maho inga ko hono whao mo pā ki o tohi histolia, mo ai whanau lau tohi whaasāpati honau siasi. Hilia ai me ai tahine prinsesi pilo levo toita o whailonga i ka kato mo na kamatangai a ki o tohi histoliani i he sāpate. Ka konga eni hono whaivia e he siasi ka ia whasi mo i awhia tungi, ai mo ui whakalau maali e whanau lau tohi whaasāpate peheki hono toi whakamama whai ai. E ngahi ngāue ni whaimi he kōhili e tokoni ki hono whakalakalaka lau tohi whaasāpate o kau ke hono whotu uai ha ngahi ngāue whou e tokoni i loro Tongani mo i kaha ona. Le te atau kampo mo i whahai ki iki.
Ko e tohi historiani ne whakailonga i whaofisiale hono tuku atu i he sāpate ne tok osi o iloa ko senturi ua o lotu mo lau tohi whasāpate. I hono whaike eke o i pule lau tohi whasāpate o sasu siliana tau ataina o whasi mo i atungi whaiwhekau pensiman Tonga. Nāne pehe o i kai ngata pē hono whau o i tohini ke whakamanatua a ke senturi ua o lotu, ka koe whakaamu, ke hoko ko mau anga iwi ke ne whakaivia e mo ui whakalau maalie ai whanau lau tohi whakasāpate.
Uti kai taha ngahi tau mua koe na e whau e ki tohi koe ni, ke whakahaa i ki he siasi pia mo e pure anga mo e whonua o ku mahu inga e lau tohi whasāpate. Aki pe whakaukau ki kai koe lau tohi whasāpate pe koe teu pe ki he lau le son whakame, ka koe lau tohi whakasāpate koe ki apia ko ia o gulawa ke teu iai ai mo ui ko ia ai longa i whanau o e siasi pia mo e whonua ke nau hoko ko ha kau tangata mo kau whewhine whalalaanga o ku nau mau e ngahi tau kei i ngahi malae kehe o ku nau wako ki ai i he kahau pe kai ngata ai kai kau foki ki ai a e nau mau ko ia ai ngahi tefto i tui, pe koe ngahi koloa mahu inga o e mo ui whakakaristiane nau hoko ai ko hakau taki lelei whakakaristiane i he ngahi wheitu kehe o kunau iai. Pea ne kau pea mahu inga ia i he motuani ka o maahe kau whai lau tohi pea moe lau tohi whasāpate whas moe afi ke whakamahino pea whakaloto lahi ai whonua i he teu koe ne katoanga ta uange au o lotu. Koe taha ini ngai maka maile mahu inga ke kau moia hono katoanga i koe lau tohi whakasāpate.
Koe tohi historiani na e whatu pea e whanau o e lau tohi whasāpate o siasini. Maka tuunga mihi ngai whakakaukau e kau taki mua mo ki nau tolo e kau whai lau tohi ne nau tataki mai e lau tohi whasāpate o siasini he kōhili mo lolo Tongani. I e whakaamu ke teke mo paotolo aki ai pe ai lotu whakakaristiane i e mo ui e whanau lolo Tonga e nau tutupuhake.
Ono whakamaa opo mai pēnia o e ngā ue pēia ne o si māu pē me kōhiri i se aso whasmo e awhi ne e pēia kau pure lau tohi whakasāpate na nau whataki mai whatongia i lau tohi whasāpate. Aia ko ki nau tolu ia a ngai mau angatala ki he konga o ngai whakamatala ko ia ko foto I he tohi. Pe kai ke ngata ai, ka oku toi whakakau whoki he tohi ni, ai ngahi polokalama fo o, ko o swahoko ia I whasmoiafi, I he laute whasapate a whasmoiafi, o whakatau mua ke whakaivi ai e laute whasapate. Ko hui ko lawe I pe, ko silapa ko laute whasapate, ko mau au taha pe me ngai siaswe siriana ko toa I he silapa tatau pe me ofise siasi. Ka utai whangi polokalama make he ia, ko lava whakotu I he tau e hongo fulu ko ni ko hiri, e hala whanonga mai ko ni ke tau ange au, aia na o si whakatoka pe ia e kau pule laute whasapate ki mua, ka wai limited kupu, ko ripoi moala, ko keinanga tai, pea moe ni I toko lahi ne nau pule laute whasapate. Pea whailewa e whakaukau, ke whakatoto ai ki ngāwe koe ni ke whahano whakama opo, o ngāwe koe na e whai me kuohiri. Pea o kaua e ngai polokalama fo ou, hange koe ni, e whatata aki, uiai ai kaumata apure, o lautoi whakasapate a whasmoe afi, tau pehe koe prefix, I he ako. E tau mua pe ke oange whainga maari e ke whanau tau tupu, ke nau kau he tataki ko ia o ngāwe a siasi. Kai kamata I he le volo ko ia o nau tōru pe ai koe lautoi whasapate. Kau ke ai pe amo ngahi polokalama kumiiwi, retreat, whakatau, ai lautoi whasapate a whasmoe afi, o pe ke whai he tau kotoa pe. Kai ke ngata ai, kau ke ai whoki pe amo e mau polokalama whakaloto fo ou, ke kau whai lautoi whasapate, I he sapate kotoa pe, whai whainasi aki, ma whai aki.
Pehe e whai whekau Tonga, ko toi historiani e whakaata ke ngawe aki e ngai lau toi whakasapate o siasi, I e whakaamu ke tai malia I e toi ngau e whanau mo tau tupu, ki ono whakalakalaka e nau mo ui whakalau malie, ka oku mahino e iai pe mohono to tongi ai. I ka inga tai, ka koe tokanga, he koe whanau e lolo tongani, koe hako tupu pe ka hao ki nau tol o ngai family, siasi, kolo, mo whonua. Pe aku mahu inga ke teu I kei taimi mo I ki hake e nau tui whakakaristiane pe mo ui whakalau malie. Kai kehe, ne whakailonga e kamata mono tuku atu e tohi ki siasi o whasmoe afi atungi, lolo tonga polokalama whakamanatu e siasini I sāpate e senturi ua o e lotu, aia ne nau katoanga I eni iha aho e tolu. Maae o ngonga le tio televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
I halorotanga hana whakamaho inga e tongani mahina o family. Nea o tono ai eiki pale mia no pele whawhanua. Mo minista ngoe William Sisfa ke vaatokanga I kina o e whanau I e whale maha ki vai o la koe a ahi mo whakamaho inga e mahina koe ia o e family. I e maho inga I pe family, pe mahina e family ne osia o taki atua I e ofa mo to koni eiki pale mia ke whanau I wawao ne mole nau whae I he whana ne hoko o lorotonga ai wiki ne whamana tua I maho inga o ngahi whae. Koe to koni eni ai palemia mo enea o tono ki he whale maha ki vai o la I he whakaamu ke o ngoi e whanau o I kai te nau li e kina. Pea ke pou kotoa ai pule anga mo e whanua ki he nau tākoto ko I he whale maha ki neongo ai pou ko ia honau ngahi family pe. Senori tato I vai mo e whakai ki.
Koe a ahi eni ai eiki palemia ane awhi ke whakama opo a ke mahu inga o e mahina o e family I Tongani. I he polokalamani ne malawai ke mea tonu mo whiilo aki mo e lunga I whanau o kunau tākoto I he whale mahaki, pe he whoki ke lunga I whanau tok whanau I okunau whea mao ai tokoni vivili. O kai tu e pale mea mahu inga ke lohi whanau I he nau tutupu hake, a hono popo I lele ki nau tol o I ka ingata pe I he popo ai family, ka koe kotoa ai kakai o e whanua I he taimi o kunau tā kotoa I he mohenga o e mamahi. Nei mea no pele whawhanua whamalo ia e ngau I kāwha kau toke tā me kau nesi, I hono toka ngai kina, ai longa I whanau lolotonga, e nau fuwhia mau vivili hā toko ni. Nā ne toi vikia foki ai whakawhatongia o skia velenga kau ngāwe i he whale mahaki, ne ongo ai nou nou whakau ngāwe. Ka kunau ke imalawa pe ke whakahoko nau whatongia ke lelei taha ke whakapapau i oku i kai ke li e kina hataha i he whale mahaki vai o la. O ko tuko pāka kātoa pule anga ke tuilonga mo uiangi a hono teke mo tukanga i kina ai mo i lelei ai ngahi whamili. I he mahu inga hono tukanga i kina i whānau i he mahine whamili, ne whapapau i hene e ikpale mia a hono o stuku atu a ene ofa mo e tokoni ki he whānau ne mālolo e nau whae, pia me he whana ne hoko lolotonga e wike ne whakamana tuai e ngai whae, i he vai whanua wawao. Lolotonga e taimi whaingata ne nau tofanga i ka koe mole, ai mata i koloa mahu inga i he whamili lolotonga, ai mahina o i whamili. Kai kehe i hile a ahi ne whakamalo ia e kau ngāwe i whale mahaki mo e whakaha a ene honga ia i hono taitari leleia mo e ki mirista ngowe e he whanau pe whoki he mātua tai whanau lolotonga e na a ahi atu ki vai o la. Mai o ngonga le teo me televisione Tonga ko au sanolita atu i vai.
O ne ngonga whakalota whanua ia me le teo Tonga uloa ki mai waka mā televisione Tonga ki hawani koe ngahi o ngonga me he malai o sipoti, hoko mai o kahili ene mo piea o lie.
I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngāu e whalota whanua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti mo e whiau i Super Rugby Pacific manoa ua no. Whamalo ke Eik Minista me ka whaaki sipoti a e potungau e i whengau e aki ua whakahoko. Malome tau ki whilonga ki koe whakain ki mala e o e sipoti. O kukei whamamahi mai e hau o Tongatapu, ha te he Spartan, he whiahi a puru unioni, pe heki he kau toa pe mei he lausi i a hifo, hi re takaheno tolu e whiahi a puru a wahenga Tongatapu. Ko ono whahain he sekretari komiti, whiro kalafi kau ola ki a ngonga le tio Tonga he pungpungini, i he teu atu koia ki takai hono wha he wikeni. I hene peheku kei take e Spartan mo hifo i hengo grupu tangata, kai pure i mai e kolomotu ai whanau whewhine, ai au te keike o lungia ngahi timi koe ni hire no whamaapo opo ai takai hono tolu.
Koe tūnga koku ia e tau wainga whakarat whanua e akapuru unioni e rolo tangani, e ko tau au mangi e takai wha i e weekend. Koe ola koe e takai hono tolu e wike kosi, ai a te ukirau i e wawe atupe. I tau koe e premier koe klaspe whaketaha ko time tahau a kui ai. E marohi a ria hona i e polisi ko tau lono ke tahiwa, marohi a hateiho i sotia ngau kola. Tau lono ke wawal, e marohi e marisi i vaini ko ua ke wal. I e pulpi, e marohi a kolomotua i kolofou tolu wha wanoa. Marohi a ngere ia i haveru, wha tolu ke tahaono. E marohi mo hifo i e toa o bois koe wanoa ke tahatolu. E tau koe whanau whewhine, ai ko timi pe nima unau kau ki ai, nai pai a kolofou. E maro ya kolomotu ai he timi whewhine koe polisi, koe ono hiwa ki e whitu, ka maro ya hifo i ngāu sirua, ko timi a tau whewhine, koe whanoa ki e noa. Ai a koe uola ia me wike koosi. E nea ume koe ki he wike ni, e rotonga ni, ke tuko e te pire whalapoi ni, pulo i ke take hate e, ume pulo e tahanima, e a hona, o bois koe poi ni tahata, ka tole polisi koe hongo pulu, ka whae maris, Valu, pia whikanima vai ni, pia mo sotia, na wau whika ono, a sotia, kuna ke taki hawa poini. E pulpi lewa, o ke taka hi fwai, pe ke haulungia, mo poini tahatoru, ngere ia, poini tahataha, kolomotoa poini tahataha. Toloa ol pois koe fitu, havelu, nima, pia mo kolofou koe noa, pe ke ha poini. Timi whewhineu ke take kolomotoa koe poini tahanima, hifo poini tahawha, kolofou poini ngopulu, polisi poini nima, pia poini. Ai ako tu te pere poini ni au mai koi ki he weekend ni.
Ro to ni to be weekend o be mahina ngai timi te na hua to area e hau ki wanoa wa no, whataha mo pare panga taha mano, ai a koe ola ia mi whataha ai komiti.
Ko ni au mai koi ke tau whiau i to be tau koi e au hi ua e pia he ro tongani. Ai ako koi ospe koi ia pa tore ba topeit. Koi timi valu ki mua whame e, whame pi. Te whakako ki nau tolu i he whakatau peko nau poini, o aria whakotutu me raki ki e walu, pe tau e raki mo e walu, ua mo e fitu, tolu mo e ono, e nima. Ai koe anga ia koe tu koe kuata. Aru hoka temi ai, Ulungia tina ana toki hei po ko championship kau wikuna tina ana toki hei po ko premiership. Pare waki ko tauni no fo pe ke no fo pe te fo no fo pe pa ta mano ko pau. Ya to ko fa u pare ko ki lalo. Ka ku me pare ko to ai u foi top 80 ko pe mona seni fa ho ngai ke fe au ko tauni.
I he taim te tau ko ngā hiwa inga ki he weekendi e tawhamala e ango timi whewhine ngā hau siriwa mo i polisi. Hoko mai e pe whanau tangata ko Marist mo i polisi ai pe. Ngare ia pe mo i tolo Old Boys, pe a taulahi lewa ai lia hona Old Boys mo i Spartans. Ko mala e whika ua ta whake pulukamo e pakihi ai whanau he whina kolomotu amu kolofo ou, hoka te pe whanau tangata kolomotu amu have lu, vai ni mo i ngā hau koula pe taulahi lewa ai hifo mo kolofo ou.
Ko e whakai lewa e niki to o ngā oi ea i hona tuku mai me wa a whakai matangi a tonga i whamoto whakahoko atu e li neni Latu.
E tonga kotoa taitai lele e peki mo toke mo whamata ea koe tuku atu ki he whiawhini ka tau wakai ki ngai tala noa la lahi koe au e aho lahi alo mali e peki ko ngā lahi o tonga e tau whaiwhanonga atu he ua wawha koe ka hoko mai kai whatonga angi e whahau ki hangi haviri o te ka wangi me he tonga hake pe tene o mai haviri o hau ki haviri hako tau te whito ni ki he whaiwhanonga koe ki whatonga pe ape he ke potai whatonga i he ua wawha koe ka hoko mai ka ino ngai whaigiki ni lawea te ngai imisi koe ka hoko mai. Pia me imisi sa te lai te ko alo tamaki wa hune ki toka i he hongo niwa. Pia whawhufua ke ne ngā unuai pe ki he whakatoke lau koe ni ho tau eria a mamao. I he hua tahua koe ka hako mai. Ka i whanua koe a wawa o hapai Tongatapu mo ewa. Lai alo mali e pe he tau whanonga atu i he aho ni. Tu ke pe hawhanki o hatu mo tō mama pe te whito ni ki whanua koe Tongatapu mo ewa he tau whanonga te pōni. Ka koe haviri ko matake angi hake haviri me tonga hake. Pea hangi o ako ngi atu ngai taimi. He tau whaiwhanonga atu i hane ki a pongi. Ha tau wakai ki ngai whatokanga ki ngai whaiwhanua o ke tū pea whatokanga ako ki he whaiwhanua koe Tongatapu mo ewa. Pea ki ngai potutahi o ke tū pea whatokanga ako mai whale ki ngai wakai ki. Ke nau te tokanga nge he o ki he. Ki ngai potutahi koe ni ai o kawai a wawa o hapai Tongatapu mo ewa papehe. He potahi o tere ki Tonga mo tere ki toke lau. Ka tau wakai ki ngai aho e nima koe ka hako mai, ko halo mali o kutoka ki he tonga hifo koe au tonga, ai te o mahalo mali e mohawiri o kua ngai me he tonga hake ke konga lahi o tonga wa o ki whasinga koe wikeni, pea e o, iai malawa pe iai whanki ua tu mo tō mama pe ki whasinga koe wike ki whakatoke lau koe au o tonga, pea ke ngai e pe haviri me tonga hake wa o ki kamatanga koe o wiki ka ha o pe malawa pe o hako e ngai taimi ki he whanua koe o hapai wawa Tongatapu mo ewa. Ka tau wakai ki he whamatara ea koe i he whiawhinua o ki he nghen koe au a ngai haviri me tonga hake ki he whanua koe Tongatapu mo ewa pepe ki hapai pea e au pe ki he maire tahe wa nima ki he ua ngai taimi pea ki wawa o ea upe maire tahe wa nima me he tonga hi fo ia e au pa fa au ki te kanga me hake e pongpongi pea ki he oniwa au pe mare tahe wa noa pea ko fo ma fana ko ia au ki maulalo tako ia ki he poni au te lisio sia se tawa ki he whakatonga pea tahi wa ki Tongatapu mo ewa pea ua tolu mo wa ki hapai mo wawao pea ki he oniwa au pe ki te lisio sia se e wanima ki he poni ki a heng kai e tau wakai koe ki whamata aia koe ki a pongpongi ke te ke haku pe alo mali e pe au me pe whanki uha tu matau mama a pe ki he whanua koe Tongatapu mo eo i hangai taimi a lai alo mali e pe o e au pe haviri ki he maire tahe wanima ki he whanua koe Tongatapu mo eo pe e au maire tahe koe a haviri ki he tonoa ki he potai whatonga ki te tuonga mo tere ki toke lau pe a upe ki maire tahe wanima ki hapai mo wawao. Ka ki hongo ni wai a upe maire tahe e wanoa ki hua ngai taimi. Ko he maalunga taha au ki ai fo mawhana a pongpongi au ia ki tikiri sosiasi e wahiwa ki he hongo ni wa. Pea tikiri sosiasi e wawalo ki hapai wawao Tongatapu mo e wa papehe ke potai koe ke whakatonga. Ka tau wakai koe ke whala i te lahi alo mali e pe whalaite, pe ki angai e peha vini me tonga hake, tuke peha o whia ngai tai mua ua tu mo tō mama pe ki hapai wawa, pe pehe ki he ongo ni wahe tau whaiwhanua at koe ni. Ko tai mamaha, moe hua o tahi, ma toka tahi o sku. He hoko te tone tātaha he pot, pe tau mari tahi o sku ata meni maki a hingi hingi. La ama maina hopo e la e os mini te walu me fituko ia hingi, pea e toa maina e os mini te wha. Os mini te fitu me wha ko ia ki a hingi, pea e toi hopo e maina e os toi mini te taha walu ki e wha ko ia e whiawhi ko ia o auhu. Ko tau whamata ea i aho nima ko ia ka hopo mai, e iai pe uatu tumbatoa, whiawa te aho ni ki Nuku'alofa ni, hai uatu mto mama pe kai e lahi alom wha au pe ke alom mali e whalai te wau ke whaasinga koe wikeni, pia ki kamataanga koe wiki ka hau. Pia koe tau whamawhana e au pe ki he tiki si e wawalu ke wahiwa. Pia koe ngataanga ia mo whamata ea ki he au ni, malo mo mea mai, ka mo mea.
Lina ni Latu ia moe tuunga oi ea ka tau toi wakaingi peheni ki ngāhi olo ia ngongo. Tali whalangilangi whakau tau e he puleanga haamoa e ne a whio hili e ne tō uta i malai wakapuna whawaha puleanga whaleolo i e hoata oi ahone. Haweki e ahio hiona ane ahia aha a whewai ngahi apina whaanga e tolu pea o sia lahi me ngahi whale e ni ihi. Pea mea ai e ki palemia o whakailonga i ka mātahona ngai ake li pōti ngāwe me tōt o ni ngāwe ki hona tuka ngai kina makehe o i whānau me ka kai whaingata i a whai sinoro tonga e ngai whatamaki e. Mo e ka kato e peia o ngāhi o ngongo me ledio kai o maai televisone to ngā ki e hauani me whakaamo me au taki koto ate peia ki he loto whali koto ate. Kai malo e ta kei whi au mai ka mō mea.
Good evening and welcome to our English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, His Majesty King Tupoda VI has arrived in Samoa this afternoon as the guest of honor at the University of the South Pacific Alafua campus graduation ceremony. Tornado damages 3 homes in Ha'awhewa and affects several other buildings. And Lord Whanua launches new emergency protection guidelines for children and people living with disabilities in Tonga. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather update. Now for the stories in details. His Majesty King Tupoda VI has arrived in Samoa this afternoon as the guest of honor at the graduation ceremony of the University of the South Pacific Alafua campus in Samoa. The King will attend the events in his role as the Chancellor of the University, where he will officiate the presentation of certificates and qualifications to graduating students. It is understood the graduation ceremony is scheduled to take place on Friday this week. It is understood that the similar graduation ceremony for the university's campus in Vanuatu was successfully held last month. Tonga today reached an important milestone in the protection and support of children and people living with disabilities, particularly in recognizing the challenges they face during natural disasters and emergency situations and the need to address the difficulties they encounter. This follows the official launch this morning by the Prime Minister Lord Whanua of 3 completed reports and operational guideline documents prepared by the Ministry of Internal Affairs, specifically focused on addressing child vulnerability and supporting people living with disabilities during emergencies and natural disaster. Lydia Tongatapu was there and filed this report.
During the program, the Prime Minister Lord Whanua emphasized the importance of these reports towards the overall development and progress of the country. Meanwhile, a representative from the UNICEF Fiji, Martin Nipola, stressed that the importance of these reports can help direct the right needs that is needed to disabilities.
This report builds on Tonga's long-standing efforts to support children and families. It provides a more complete picture of children's well-being, looking not only at income, but at whether children have access to health care, education, nutrition, safe housing, clean water, and protection. The findings offer valuable insights. We see that about 1 in 4 children experience some form of hardship across different aspects of their lives. At the same time, Tonga's focus on child well-being provides a solid foundation to continue improving outcomes for all children. The report also reminds us that early childhood is especially important. It shows that young children face greater challenges and that continued investment in early support and services can make a lasting difference.
However, the Minister for Internal Affairs, Honourable Fane Fituafe, also explained the 3 reports and their purposes and the continuing effort of the ministry to support and help people with disabilities. The 3 reports are the Multidimensional Child Poverty in Tonga Report UNICEF, Understanding the Experiences of Persons with Disability in Disaster and Emergencies in Tonga, World Food Programme, and the Disability Welfare Scheme Operational Manual, DFAT. The achievement launched today forms part of the Ministry's key priorities under the government's first 100-day plan. The 3 reports were completed through collaboration between the Ministry, UNICEF, the World Food Programme, and Australia's Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, DFAT. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
A tornado that struck Ha'awhera in Ha'apai yesterday morning damaged 3 homes, but fortunately no lives were lost and no injuries were reported. This was confirmed yesterday by the Tonga Meteorological Service, which was also reported that several other houses were affected and some trees were uprooted. Let's take a look. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, Ha'awhera Town Officer Sone Akauola Fifita said the tornado occurred at around 9 a.m. yesterday morning and lasted for about 1.5 minutes. It is understood that the roofs of several homes were blown off and the Catholic Church in Ha'awhera was also damaged. He confirmed that the report has already been submitted to the National Disaster Risk Management Office regarding the incident. A damage assessment will be carried out later, after which assistance and support will be provided to the homes that were affected and damaged. According to the Tonga Meteorological Service, the tornado that caused the damage was directly linked to the weather system currently affecting Tonga, which has brought heavy rain and thunderstorms to parts of the country. This year across Tonga, still in preparations to celebrate the bicentenary of Christianity in the kingdom, the Free Western Church of Fasimoiafia Tungi reached an important milestone this week with the writing and publications of a historical book for their Sunday school. The book was officially launched by Princess Pilolevu Tuita on Sunday this week, marking the completion and commencement of its use within the church. Litea Tongatapu with more.
This initiative forms part of the Church's effort to strengthen the spiritual lives of Sunday school children, while also highlighting the work carried out in the past that contributed to the growth and development of Sunday school ministry. It also aims to encourage the establishment of new initiatives that will continue to support the ministry both now and into the future. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the head of Sunday School, Free Wesleyan Church of Fasimoiafi Atungi, Pastor Pensimani Tonga, said the purpose of producing the book was not only to commemorate the 2 centuries of Christianity in Tonga, but also with the hope that it would become a source of encouragement to strengthen the spiritual lives of Sunday school children. The historical book was written by members of the church's Sunday school based on contributions and ideas from former and current leaders and teachers who have guided the Sunday school ministry throughout the years. Pastor Tonga also stated that the book will be made available for use by Sunday schools within the church, with the hope that more children and youth will be encouraged in developing their spiritual lives, although the book will be sold at a price. He further emphasized that today's children are the future of families, churches, villages, and the nation, making it important to nurture and strengthen their Christian faith and spiritual foundation from a young age. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
And as Tonga marks and celebrates Family Month, Prime Minister Lord Fafanua and Minister of Agriculture William Sisva visit the Children Ward at Viola Hospital to acknowledge the importance of Family Month. Let's take a look. The Prime Minister's supporting visit to Viola Hospital was aimed at helping the children feel that they are not alone, and the government and the people of Tonga are standing with them during their time in hospital, not only with their families. The Prime Minister's visit yesterday was part of the activities marking Family Month in Tonga. During the program, he met with the children receiving treatment at the hospital, including newborn babies requiring special care. The Prime Minister believes it is important for children to grow up knowing they are supported not only by their families but also by the whole country during times when they are suffering or unwell. Lord Fafanua thanked the doctors and nurses for the dedicated work in caring for the children during times when they urgently need help and support. He also praised the hospital staff for their commitment and hard work despite staff shortages, saying they continue to carry out their duties to the best of their abilities to ensure no one at Viola Hospital is neglected. The government remains fully committed to strengthening healthcare services at the well-being of families. That is a local news for tonight. Sport is up next after this break with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. The defending champions, Hadeho Spartans and Hihifo, are leading the Tongatapu Sub-Union Rugby Tournament after round 3. Tournament Secretary Whirgalawhekauola told Radio Tonga Sports News that the race for a top 8 playoff spot is heating up, with the Spartans favourite to defend their title. After 3 rounds, the Spartans, Hihifo and Kolomotua women's team are leading their respective divisions with 2 matches remaining before the playoffs. Hadeho leads Pool A with 15 points, while Hihifo tops Pool B with 13 points. Kolomotua dominates the women's division with 15 points. Round 4 matches will be played on Saturday at the Adele Rugby Field. On the main field, Ngahau Siliva will face Police, followed by Marist against Police, Ngaleia versus Toro Old Boys, and the Spartans taking on Liahona Old Boys. On the second field, Kolomotua women meet Kolofo'o women at 9:30 a.m., followed by Havelo against Kolomotua, Vaini versus Ngahau Gola, and Hifo against Kolofo'o in the final match of the day. The men's division winner will receive the championship cup and a 10,000 baht prize. The women's prize is yet to be announced. And that's sports news.
That is Pierre Ollier with the latest sports news. Weather is up next with the latest weather update to be presented by Lineni Latu.
Good evening, Tonga, and welcome to your latest weather updates from your Tonga Met Service. Our main story for today is a fine weather will be experienced across Tonga, and also a strong wind will continue to affect the southern Roda and southern Group over the next 24 hours. By looking at the satellite image, a trough of low pressure that lies over the news, and it is expected to move north and away from the group in the next 12 hours. Also, a fine weather will be experienced by the central toward the southern group today and tomorrow. For our warning for the land areas, a strong wind warning still remains in force for Tongatapu and Ewa land areas, but for the coastal water, a strong wind warning and small craft advisory still remain in force for Wawa'au Hapai, Tongatapu, Ewa, Tereki Tonga and Tereki Toke Lau coastal water. Outlook for upcoming 5 days. A high pressure system to the far south continues to bring a strong southeasterly wind for most part of the group, especially for the southern group and central group. But for this northern group, we'll be having a few showers over the weekend and early next week. But generally fine for most part of the group toward this weekend. Forecast from this evening and up to early tomorrow morning, we continue to have a southerly wind for the southern group and over the central group. And the maximum speed will be about 25 knots, especially for the coastal waters. And for the central will be about to 25, and also the northern group will be up to 20 knots at time. The minimum for tonight for the northern group will be up to 25 degrees Celsius, and for the lowest would be around 23 to 24 to the central group, and the southern group will be up to 18 degrees Celsius for tonight. Outlook for tomorrow, we continue to have a moderate to fresh southeasterly wind over the lanes in coastal waters for the southern and central group, and the maximum will be about 25 knots for over the central and southern group, and apart from the southern water will be up to 30 knots. And for the northern group, it will be up to 15 to 20 knots at time. And the maximum for tomorrow, the highest maximum will be up to the northern group, about 29 degrees Celsius, and the rest of the group will be up to 28 degrees Celsius. Outlook for Friday, we will continue to have a southeast wind for all of Tonga, and we're having a few showers along Wawa'au to the newest. But a part of that will be generally fine weather for the Friday. Tide prediction for today, low tide at 11 o'clock tonight, and high tide will be 15 minutes past 5 early tomorrow morning. Sun and the moon sunrise at 8 minutes past 7 early tomorrow morning, and moonset will be 7 minutes past 4 early tomorrow morning. 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa will continue to have a fine weather toward the weekends and up to next week. But from today, we'll be having a few showers. But maximum temperature will be around 28 to 29 in Nuku'alofa. And that's all for the Met Service, and thank you for listening.
That is Latu with the latest weather update. And before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. His Majesty King Tupota VI has arrived in Samoa this afternoon as the guest of honor at the University of the South Pacific Alafua campus graduation ceremony. Tornado damages 3 homes in Ha'awheva and affects several other buildings. And Lord Whanua launches new emergency protection guidelines for children and people living with disabilities in Tonga. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. Good evening.